I, Mark, take you, Michelle, to be my wife. Promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and honor you all the days of my life.
I, Michelle, take you, Mark, to be my husband. Promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and honor you.
May the Lord in His goodness strengthen that consent and fill you both with His blessings and love. For what God has joined together, we must never divide. And a delight to present to all of you, Mr. and Mrs. Mark Kramer, husband and wife.